rather appropriate music. I love AliExpress. It's brilliant. You can get sex toys. You can get lots of camping equipment. That's the main thing I get is camping equipment. Although I have just bought still. We wanted to deliver to me, but could be a month. Anyway, sometimes you'll see a thing with it costs you one penny. Sometimes you'll see a price £38,597. That's about $60,000 or potato money, whatever they use. And it's not a scam. It's free shipping. It's not a scam. This is a thermal imaging tracking device. It has multiple purposes. As it stands, it's a long range camera that works in nighttime and daytime. Thermal imaging at nighttime. But it also has built-in software for tracking. This means you can track airplanes, high-speed things like drones. So the whole purpose of this thing, the reason why I got two cameras, I shan't say why I got two cameras, but the reason for this is that it has military applications. The two primary military applications, you can use it for civilian life. It can automatically track things and, for a civilian playtime, like drones and playtime. But the two military applications for this thing, and they have sold two so far. This thing where it tells you automatically up here how many they've sold. It's an automatic thing. It's not a scam thing. It is actually automatic. Otherwise, they'd be saying like thousands or whatever. So they sold two, and it's only been on sale for a short time. Did a bit of research, as I do, and this is the company, Foschwissen, which is a Chinese company owned by America, and Israel is the primary owner, as you can tell by the little blurb there. It's basically an Israeli company pretending to be Chinese. So the two primary functions of this optical tracking device is to bring down missiles, drones, and airplanes. Yes, you could track them if you wanted, but one of the reasons you've got these four things on the base here and the two lenses is that you can equip it with a laser. Any laser. You can buy them for 10 quid for a decent high power laser. And high power is only something, it'll burn your retinas out, but it's called a cat toy. That's how they're branded. Cat toy, to play with your kitty cat by shining your laser onto the wall. Or by attaching it to an optical tracking device, it can detonate drones, missiles. Because it tracks them at speed, it can track so many at a time. It points the laser at the nose, it increases the temperature enough over its variance that it detonates. It's that simple. It has to be at a certain altitude because the majority of missiles these days, they have a preset altitude limiter, so they won't blow up in the air. They only blow up when they get below a certain point. So yeah, this is their website, and I've worked with military kit before. I mean, one of the first jobs I had doing military type stuff was actually working with fiberglass. I was working as boat builders, and we also made cowlings for missile launchers. It was only a civilian little business down in Kingsbridge 30 years ago. But yeah, we also make like missile cowlings out of fiberglass. So yeah, they do missile tracking, and I shan't show the videos, but there are some demonstration videos that you can look at if you want, and it shows you them tracking and detonating drones and missiles. This is one of the reasons why Ukraine and Russia are now trying to use wired devices. Down drones with lasers, yeah, we know. They're using a basically really, really long fiber optic cable to control the drones because radio signals are too easy to block and intercept and overtake. So yeah, and down drones with lasers. So basically, this 38.5 grand will get you a PT series electro-optical system. Just in case you want to protect yourself from drones, missiles, airplanes. And imagine there are 3 sold now.